Hello mathematicians, welcome back to Smyan Academy. Today, I'm going to teach you how to divide by 75, 750, and 7,500 very fast. Last time we discussed how to multiply. Well, in short, a good summary of this video is that it's the exact same as multiplication trick for these types of numbers. However, the difference is you're just going to multiply by 4 this time and then divide by 3. And just shift the decimal place backwards, not forwards. That won't make sense now. So let's move on and let's see if you guys can understand something. Okay, so to divide by 75, 750, or 7,500, I'm going to underline this because this is the first step. First, multiply your number by 4. Then divide your result by 3. That's the second step, like I mentioned before. You first multiply your number by 4, whatever number you're dividing by, then you divide the result by 3. Finally, move the decimal point 2 places to the left. For 75, 3 places for 750, or 4 places for 7,500. This goes on and on and on. Like you could have, let's say, 7 million. And you'll have to shift the decimal place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. You just count the number of digits, the number that has 75 at the start. This trick only works if the number 75 is at the start. No other digits will work except like having trailing zeros. Okay, but you just need to count how many digits it has and then shift it that many decimal places. So your number could be a decimal when you divide. That's why we're using this method. Okay, so let's look at our practice problem to see if this all makes sense. So first multiply your number by 4. Well, in this case, we're dividing 1,500 divided by 75. This is our number. So we have to multiply that by 4, giving us 6,000. Because 15 times 4 is 60, and then you add the 2 zeros. Now divide your result by 3. Well, pretty easy. 60 divided by 3 is 20, and then you add the 2 zeros again. So you get 2,000. Now, what you have to do, since it's 75, you shift the decimal place 2 times. Well, the decimal at the start is here. You could have like several zeros over here. I'm just going to put dot, dot, dot. But basically, your decimal point is here for 2,000. You're going to shift it 1, 2. Drop the decimal, and you should have an answer. Let me make it a little bit more clear. So erase all this stuff. I'm gonna have a 2,000, giving some space. We know our decimal point's there, so 1, 2, drop it, and there. So after you drop the decimal point, you know you have to erase the extra zeros and stuff, and your answer should be 20. Done. It's that simple. All I have to do is multiply by 4, divide by 3, and shift the decimal point, the number of digits, the number 75, 750, or 7,500. Let's move on to the next one. 2,700 divided by 750. Well, this is our number. We multiply that number by 4. So that's basically 27 times 4, which will give us an answer of 108. If you don't understand how, I'll just show you right here. When you do the 4, you just have to visualize that you're multiplying 7 times 4 and carry the 2 you get from 28. Add it to 2 and 4, which you get 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. See, you'll get used to those if you like practice your 1-digit to 2-digit multiplication. Use your FOIL tricks if needed for 2-digit multiplication. So forget that, but let's keep going. So we know that 27 times 4 is 108. Add those 2 zeros we had before. Now we have to divide this by 3. And if you already looked at this, you might think, is this divisible by 3? Well, you could kind of look at it. You could see, okay, you're going to divide that by 3. So 3 into 10 is going to give you a 3. I'm just doing long division in my head. But you could kind of see it, like take a piece of paper and try doing long division and you get the same thing I'm doing. Because I'm just showing you it in my head rather than writing it down. So 3, and then you carry the 1, and it'll keep on going. But your answer after that should be, give me 1 second, 3600. So yeah, it is divisible at 3. No big. So now what do we do? Well, using our law, we know that we have to shift the decimal point 3 times, because there's 3 digits in 750. But you might think, that's not a whole number. Because when you shift the decimal point 1, 2, 3, and you drop it, sure, you could erase the zeros, but you're left with 3.6. Well, that's a decimal, and that's literally your answer. You can't change it anymore. 3.6 is your answer. You can check that with the calculator, and that's a concept called decimals. So hopefully you got into that. And you might say, why can't I add the 2 zeros? It's just redundant. Most competitions don't want you to add it, and it's a good mathematical practice. You don't want to like add extra zeros for no reason. Alright, let's move on. Hopefully you understood that, and now let's try our practice problems. Okay, so pause the video, try these by yourself, and let's see if you got them right. Okay, so let's use a trick. So 15,000 divided by 75,000. There might be an easier way for you to do this. Pause the video and try by yourself. Well, if you already found this, it might be pretty simple. There's a method. Remember when we divided by 110, we just removed zeros? You can just cancel out these zeros, because no matter what you do, you'll get the same answer. So just to make things simpler, you could still use your 75,000 method, but this is so much faster. You have to try this. You just get rid of the zeros, but it only works if the number you're dividing by 75,000, any number basically, if the number you're dividing by has more zeros than the number that is being divided by has more zeros than the number you are dividing by. But now that we crossed out those 2 zeros, our division problem is 150. Ignore the commas now, we don't need those. 150 divided by 75. Well, you could use your 75 trick, and you should see that 150 times 4 is 600. 600 divided by 3 is 200. Shift the decimal point 2 times because it's 75, and your answer should be 2. I went through that fast, so let's slow down with the next one. Okay, 3,000 divided by 75. Can't do that zero trick anymore, so let's use a regular. It's 3,000 times 4, first step, that's 12,000. 12,000 divided by 3, 4,000. Shift the decimal point 2 times, 1, 2, drop it, and getting rid of those extra zeros, your answer should be 40. Moving on, 3,300, or like 3,300, divided by 750. Well, the trick for this is the same method. Multiply by 4. 33 times 4 is 132. Drop the 2 zeros. And now what we do is we divide by 3. So when we divide this by 3, we should get an answer. After all that long division, we should get an answer of 4,400 after using that long division. It might take some time. Well, you could kind of see it though. Like when you put the 4, you put the 4, and then you're left with the 1, then you bring down the 2, you have another 4, and you just know that the rest of them is 0. So pretty simple stuff there. Now what we do is, since it's 750, 3 digits, we shift the decimal place 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, drop the decimal point, and our answer, after getting rid of those redundant zeros, is 4.4. Alright guys, that was it. Let's see if we got them right. Yep, we did. So moving on, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions or want some other type of content. Might have seemed a little bit difficult at the start, but if you practice these, it'll become like faster than a lightning bolt. So good luck on your competitions. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe again. Goodbye.